Amazon Prime Video, or simply Prime Video, is a subscription video on demand over the top streaming and rental service of Amazon.com, offered as a standalone service or as part of Amazon's Prime subscription. The service primarily distributes films and television series produced by Amazon Studios or licensed to Amazon as Amazon Originals, with the service also hosting content from other providers, content add-ons, live sporting events, and video rental and purchasing services. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. This is Help Tech and today we are back with another how-to video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into your Amazon Prime Video account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app Prime Video. After that, enter the email address or phone number associated with your Amazon Prime Video account and then enter the password. Once you have done that, tap on sign in. And that's it. You'll be logged into your Amazon Prime Video account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.